Good afternoon. March 24th, mild day here in Toronto, and I'm now at York Memorial Collegiate Institute, known to some students as York Memo. Why I started in the back is at one time there was a gymnasium and auditorium that burnt down in May of 2019. Closing the school now for the last 3 years as they rebuild. In the meantime, as they're rebuilding, the new TTC entrance at Keele and Eglinton is near completion. Should be great access for the students when they do come back. Just now on Eglinton Avenue West, facing the front of the school, and as you can see, the extensive damage caused by this fire. Much was lost, but thank goodness the front facade and the original architecture from 1929 was saved. I think it'll be some time before students come back to York Memorial, and let's hope sooner than later. Thanks for watching.